The new Omicron variant is spreading fast. If you are unvaccinated or haven't had a booster, you have a greater risk of catching COVID-19 and experiencing more serious illness.
And that's why we're asking everyone in the whole force to get boosted now and get vaccinated if you haven't done so already.
Vaccines are the best possible way we can protect ourselves and our loved ones. They'll protect you in the best possible way and all those around you.
Getting the vaccine and booster will protect our world-class NHS, who have a mission to vaccinate everyone aged over 18 by the end of this year. That's 1 million jabs in arms every day between now and New Year's Day.
To succeed, the NHS must match its best vaccination date yet, and then beat it day after day.
Through the Military Assistance to Civil Authorities MACA programme, the RAF, alongside our Royal Navy and British Army colleagues, is proud to support the NHS and contribute to this extraordinary effort.
We are helping the NHS by mobilising volunteers from across the whole force, military to civilian, to support local vaccination centres in clinical and non-clinical roles. The need is immediate, and we will offer as much flexibility as we can when considering requests to volunteer from our people.
This winter, our number one priority is to support the UK's defences against COVID-19. We are protecting ourselves so we can protect you. Don't forget, hands, face, space, fresh air, and play your part today. Get boosted now. If you can, volunteer to help the NHS jab 1 million arms a day.